Alright guys, so the gas tank ended up I didn't do much. Only wash it with gasoline a couple times and dump out all the debris and stuff. For the reason is I think the tank is structurally still good, and I'm not very comfortable using acid and all this thing to do the tank or even coat it. What I'm going to do actually, I'm replacing the shut off valve for a new one I bought online. I also got a new fuel cap for it. So after I wash it with the gasoline, which is not so bad, I don't know if you can see it. No, however, the gasoline did something to my tank. Some of the fuel that I spilled it around the tank actually dissolved the paint. This paint is probably not very good, so I'm not gonna do much for it for now, but maybe later I'll get back to it. Might have to repaint the whole thing, but that's clean the label pretty well. Okay guys, so everything is in place. Got the fuel line, the gas can is cleaned it, and inline fuel is added. I'm using a clear line because I want to see the fuel condition there. I also have a new spark plug. I'm gonna plug this in. Okay, I already have some fuel in it. Some reason it's not going in. I don't know why. This look empty, but part of them is already going in there. So I will see when started it will draw the fuel or not. This is a new fuel cap. It has a valve on the top. I will need to open it. Hear that? So almost ready. We're gonna try to test run this. Okay, that was the longest one so far, and I tuned it a little bit. In high speed, the motor does not run very smooth, so we definitely need to tune that. Looks like the exhaust spray out even more dirt. Quite dirty. Alright. Need to do some tuning, then we try it again. That's great. Looks like all is working. Wow, look at how dirty this thing is. All in all, I mean, this old motor started working just fine now. I play with the idle and the jet screw a little bit, and everything seems to be responding. I have not think about what to do with the cosmetic, but mechanically, this thing is sound and good. So by doing this project, actually, I learned quite a bit on the outboard motor and two-stroke motor and all this. It's a great experience for me, and I'm happy this old motor is actually started working again. Okay, thank you for coming along to watching all this video how I restore this. And thank you for your support, and please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will post some more video later. Thank you.